Crypterium truly is as of now esteemed at 10 cents. Crpt's very intraday volume certainly remains at $1,107,930, or so they sort of thought. Backing for the sort of bears basically has been laid out at $0.097. Crypterium's EMA10, in every practical sense, shows a truly descending pattern, or so the basically thought. 20 January 2024, in this video we will basically walk you through Crypterium cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part clarified some pressing issues, facts, what basically is truly transient cost expectation for Crypterium, in a real sense, is Crpt a sort of wise speculation? Or so they by and large thought. Crypterium support and opposition levels and so on, which generally is genuinely huge. Be that as it may, prior to jumping profound into the Crpt specialized examination, essentially let us generally discuss the especially current economic situations, or so they especially thought. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,634,390,721,246, or so they explicitly thought. The sort of all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $57,055,176,489, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they basically thought. Which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52% in an essentially significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value decline of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours, showing how the very all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $57,055,176,489 in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time period, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Sol, the local coin of Solana, essentially is somewhere near 2.93, and as of now exchanging at $91.67 in an every way that really matters, significant way. Furthermore, XRP came to 55 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0% in esteem, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the Crpt specialized examination, basically let us generally discuss the very current economic situations in an extremely enormous manner. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in every way that really matters, descending heading for genuinely present moment, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of now, a kind of broad for the most part bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time span in a sort of significant manner. Crypterium backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized markers used to especially distinguish extremely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, essentially further appearance how which truly brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52% in an unobtrusive manner. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers explicitly become basically something else in every way that really matters, dynamic, and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in a kind of significant manner. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which dealers in every practical sense become move pretty dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in every practical sense shows that Sol, the really local coin of Solana, essentially is somewhere near 2.93. And presently exchanging at $91.67 in a for the most part large manner. Following essentially are the help and obstruction levels of Crypterium, Crpt, Crypterium execution. The exceptionally current Crypterium cost fundamentally is 10 cents, with an exchanging volume of $1,107,930 in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. Exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%. Kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Right now, CRPT especially is somewhere near 5.67% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $8,382,866 United States dollars. Truly further appearance how the very complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $57,055,176,489 in an unpretentious manner. Crypterium Value Examination CRPT Cost Investigation for 20 January 2024, inside a kind of everyday time span, really made sense of underneath, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time span, or so they certainly thought. We utilize especially relative strength INDEX RSI, moving sword of normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving pretty normal, EMA, to for the most part examine the future development of the crypterium, which explicitly shows that at present, CRPT generally is somewhere near 5.67% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $8,382,866 United States dollars. Pretty further appearance how the sort of all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $57,055,176,489 in a really significant way. The quick obstruction for CRPT in a real sense is explicitly found at 12 cents, and a breakout from this level could in a real sense leads towards the following opposition, which can essentially be generally found at 13 cents, showing how Sol, the especially local coin of Solana explicitly, is somewhere near 2.93 and at present exchanging at $91.67, which most certainly is genuinely critical. On the truly other hand, assuming the bear by and large assume command and CRPT cost truly neglects to in a real sense break out above 12 cents, it could fall back towards the vital help at $0.097, showing how crypterium in every practical sense is as of now esteemed at 10 cents. CRPT's certainly intraday volume basically remains at $1,107,930, which basically is very critical. The MACD line fundamentally is remaining underneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, showing how Crypterium Value Examination CRPT Cost Investigation for 20 January 2024, inside an especially day-to-day time span, really made sense of beneath, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time span. Or so they most certainly thought. Crypterium financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the truly day-to-day graph, in a kind of large manner especially. The truly relative strength file, RSI,